Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Tanvi and today's topic again is very good and you have already seen the title, yeah? Read the title. And first of all, sorry that I couldn't be more consistent on YouTube, but from now on, I'm gonna be very consistent on YouTube because I got lots of topics to talk about. It's just sometimes I feel overwhelmed. Anyways, so today we're gonna talk about that something what we wish for and we don't get it. Why is it good for us? So, you know how sometimes we wish for different and different things, and when we don't get it, we just feel very frustrated. Look at that in this perspective. Sometimes what we wish for isn't good for us. It's not a rejection, but it's more like a protection from God or universe. हम बचपन से ही जब बड़े होते हैं ना तो हम चीज़ों के लिए बहुत जिद करते हैं और वो जिद करने से ना हमें वो चीज़ भी मिल जाती है. बट कुछ ऐसे सिनेरियोज या सिचुएशंस होती हैं जहाँ पे हम जितनी मर्जी जिद कर ले कि पर वो चीज़ हमें नहीं मिलती है क्योंकि वो हमारे लिए ठीक ही नहीं होती है. इमेजिन अ 7-month-old हैज़ डायबिटीज़ एंड he doesn't understand that what is diabetes. So parents try to keep sweet food away from him. But every time he sees a chocolate, he just runs towards it and tries to grab it. And he wants it no matter what. So this is an analogy. One day that child saw a chocolate and his parents weren't besides him. He grabbed the chocolate and tried to eat it. And what's the consequence? It's not good for him. So eventually he just fell sick. Now imagine this another day. The child is still looking at the chocolate is there and he runs towards. This time the parents are there, so they don't let him eat the chocolate. And he cries. इतनी जिद करता है कि नहीं मुझे chocolate चाहिए, मुझे chocolate. मतलब बोल तो नहीं रहा 7 month old है, but he just wants chocolate. But parents know that it's not good for him, so they don't give him chocolate no matter how much he cries or yells or screams. Because the child doesn't understand that it's not good for him. And parents does. Let's look at this analogy in a spiritual way. Same as universe. Universe knows what's good for us and what's not good for us. No matter whatever we want, oh, I want a relationship. Oh, I want with that specific guy. No, I want this type of job. Oh no, I only want this specific job. But we don't know if it's good for us or not. But universe knows everything. तो universe को तो पता है कि वो हमारे लिए सही है कि गलत है. तो इसीलिए कभी कभी अगर हमारी कुछ इच्छाएं पूरी नहीं होती हैं, it's good, it's protection because we don't know the consequences, just like that child who has diabetes and he can't eat chocolate. Same with us. We don't know whatever we're dreaming of or whatever we're wanting if it's good for us. Let's look at this in a different perspective now. We just don't grow in life, we go through phases. And in every phase, we become obsessed with something. Maybe it's love, success, destiny, job, whatever you want to call it. अब बचपन में हमें टॉयज बहुत अच्छे लगते थे, but doesn't mean कि अभी भी वही सेम टॉयज अच्छे लगते हो. Basically मेरे कहने का ये मतलब है कि whatever we like is based on a phase. जब टिकटॉक था हमें वो cringe टिकटॉक्स बहुत अच्छी लगती थी, but अब जब हम look back करते हैं तो हमें वो cringe लगता है. वैसे ही मैं ये बताने का ट्राई करूँ कि हम हर फेज में कुछ ना कुछ मांगते हैं, पर वो उस फेज पे सीमित है जो हमें उस टाइम अच्छा लगता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इमेजिन यू लाइक्ड दिस मोहल्ले वाली लड़की और लड़का और यू वुड जस्ट ट्राई ना मैनिफेस्ट कि नहीं मुझे इसी लड़की से शादी करनी है, जो मर्जी हो जाए. चलो इवेंचुअली यू गेट इनटू अ रिलेशन, बट आफ्टर 2 years you guys break up. And now you look back and you will thinking, oh, this is my biggest, stupidest mistake I ever made because what was I even thinking? Why was I even in this toxic relationship? Or I'm not like defaming anyone, but it's just like that person was so immature. Why couldn't I see it before? I don't know if you're getting my point. What I'm trying to say is that sometimes what we wish for is based on a phase, and when the phase ends, we just look back and see, oh shit, what even I was wishing for. Like, and ये सबके साथ होता है जब हम अपने past self को देखते हैं. I'm wondering, oh मुझे ये bright neon orange shoes अच्छे लगते थे, मतलब अभी भी लग सकते हैं, but I'm just trying to like give it an example. I'm not trying to say that don't like it. Whatever we liked in past, we just thought that it's good for us, but when we get out of the phase and then we realize, oh no, it's not good for us. So that's why I'm saying, I mean, छोटी मोटी wishes का तो it's okay that you like that certain dress or certain shoes, but there are big things too, like you want to get into that specific relationship, but God thinks that it's not right for you and you don't get it. कुछ बड़ी चीज़ें भी हो सकती है जो हम मांगते हैं और वो हमारे लिए सच में सही ना हो, जैसे वो स्पेसिफिक गाय और वो स्पेसिफिक जॉब यू वांट टू गेट इनटू. Maybe you didn't get it because God knows, universe knows that it is not good for you, that it's going to be very emotionally draining and soul consuming. So be happy sometimes that your wishes are not getting fulfilled. Don't be sad. It's not rejection, it's protection. A question for you that you have to answer to yourself, or you can also write it in the comment section, that what is something that you desperately want right now, but you know that your future self might not even value it? So, this is the task for you. This is your reflection. And I want to end this video by saying that yes, sometimes it can be protection, but sometimes it might be just realigning yourself, or might be just divine timing, that you don't need it right now. So, God is just preparing you for that, and in future, you get that thing. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and keep on reminding me that I have to be very consistent on YouTube, because I love making YouTube videos. I don't know why, but I don't know, from last 10 days I was very overwhelmed. I just didn't feel like doing anything. So even if you have noticed, I haven't posted much. That I feel bad about now, but it's okay. Sometimes you need to take rest. So take it as a message to whosoever needs to hear this, that sometimes all you need is a little rest. And do share it to people who you think might resonate with this. And do subscribe and follow me on Instagram. I guess bye, and bye.